Define f from r to r and g from r to z by the following formulas. F of x equals x squared over 3, and g of x is the floor function of x for every x that's a real number. That's the same thing as rounding down, by the way. I'll show you what I mean by that in a second. Let's start with part A. G of f of 2. This is the same thing as, in this function notation, g of f of 2. Here we need to start with f of 2, and we can find that by plugging 2 into this function. 2 squared is 4, and 4 over 3 is 4/3. G of 4/3 is really just the floor function of 4/3. The floor function takes a number and rounds it down to the nearest integer. If you round 4/3 down, 4/3 is like 1.33333. If you round that number down to the nearest decimal, this is just 1. And so that's the answer to part A. For part B, we need to find g of f of -3. Again, we'll plug -3 into f first. So -3 squared is 9, divided by 3 is +3. And if you plug 3 into g, that is just the floor of 3. Now, 3 is already an integer, so you don't need to round down. It's already rounded down, so this is just 3. Part C is g of f of 5. 5 squared over 3 is 25/3. And by the way, 24/3 is 8. So this is like 8.333. And if you round that down, that rounds down to 8. Thanks, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.